Welcome students of all exam classes. This is about the exam of 2025 and it's helpful for every exam class. We talked about King Willem I. He sent Johannes van der Bos to Curacao and the other 5 islands to check if they could be governed cheaper. His solution, and Willem I, took the solution, was to reform the areas, to bezuinig, and to create more rendimento economico by creating one colony together with Curacao, St. Eustatius and Suriname and the other 4 islands. That was his plan. So including Suriname. Yeah, he wanted to unite them as a colony, uniden un colonia. Yeah, and this happened in 1828. Yeah, this was the year that this actually happened. So an important year, 1828. Keep that in mind. So, when we look at that, what had actually happened, they were joined with Suriname. They hoped it would be a success. The king hoped he would be happy because of it, that it would actually create a cheaper colony, but not that it would become more costly. And how did it work out in the end? Yeah, the colony became more costly. It didn't become cheaper, it became more costly because of the great distances between the colonies. Suriname was not the same as the other 6 islands, and the colony was disbanded. Where can you find this on the text? On page 7. You can find this in the text of your reader in Dutch. Het was bestuurlijk en economisch geen succes. De kosten stegen, the cost went up. En in 1845 werd de samenvoeging ongedaan gemaakt. So they were disbanded in 1845. It was not cheaper. There was not a rendimento economico. It was not cheaper at all. You can find this on page 7, like you can see there. And not on that same page. So there was not a reform, it was not cheaper, and it was a bad decision from the Netherlands. And also on the same page, on page 7, you can find the following. De Hollanders waren nauwelijks op de hoogte of hielden gewoonweg geen rekening met de grote geografische afstanden tussen de eilanden. De grote geografische afstanden. Bovendien begrepen ze niet dat eilandbewoners sterk op hun eigen eiland gericht zijn. Yeah? So they did not look at the distances and they did not look at the fact that island inhabitants are strongly aimed at their own islands. I hope this was helpful and that you see that it was not successful at all. You can find the reader on the website of Mr. Flinkevleugel and you can find it on the website when you look at this page of that website.